Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video we solved question number 1 related with exercise number 2.5 relevant with the topic of implicit differentiation. In today's video I am going to solve question number 2 of exercise number 2.5 related with the topic of du by dv and dv by du. So let's move toward question. It tells that let u square by a square plus v square by b square is equal to 1 where a and b are non-zero constant. Find the value of du by dv and dv by du. Du by dv means the derivative of u with respect to v, and dv by du means the derivative of v with respect to u. First we are going to find du by dv. So move towards the solution. We have a function given u square divided by a square plus v square divided by b square is equal to 1. We are going to find the derivative of u with respect to v. So it means that we will differentiate both sides with respect to v. So differentiating both sides with respect to v, so it becomes d divided by dv of u square divided by a square. Also take the derivative of this function, so d by dv of v square by b square is equal to taking the derivative of the right hand side, so d by dv of 1. Now here the inner function is u and here we have v, so it means the derivative of u square is 2u and divided by a square is a constant, so a square 2u divided by a square. We have inner function u, so it becomes du by dv. After this, here we will differentiate v with respect to v. We don't have any inner function, so it becomes 2v divided by b square is equal to the derivative of a constant is a 0. Now shift 2v divided by b square to the right hand side, so it becomes now first we are going to cancel out 2 with each other, so we are left with u divided by a square du by dv will be equal to minus v divided by b square. Now shift u divided by a square to the right hand side, so it becomes du by dv will be equal to, here it is a square in denominator, so by moving to this side it becomes in the numerator minus u a square divided by, here u is in numerator, so by shifting to the right hand side it will move to the denominator, so u and b square. So this is the required derivative du by dv, which is equal to minus u a square minus this is v divided by b square minus v a square divided by u b square. Now we are going to find dv by du. Now to taking the given equation, u square by a square plus v square divided by b square is equal to 1. Now differentiating both sides with respect to u, dv by du, so it becomes 2u divided by a square plus the inner function is v. So here we will differentiate v, so it becomes 2v divided by b square, but it is inner function, so we will write it dv by du. dv by du will be equal to the derivative of 1 is 0. Now shift first we are going to cancel out 2 with each other, so shift u divided by a square to the right hand side, so it becomes v, here it is v divided by b square du dv by du will be equal to, this is u by a square, so it will shift to the right hand side, it becomes minus u divided by a square minus u divided by a square. Now shift v divided by b square to the right hand side, so it becomes dv by du will be equal to minus u divided by a square multiply. Here b square is in denominator, so by moving to the right hand side it will move to the numerator and v will comes to the denominator, so v, so it becomes dv by du will be equal to minus u b square divided by va square. So this is the required derivative dv by du. So with this question I finish my lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about differentiation second year mathematics. Thank you.